This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A27 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G is a mid-range 5G smartphone that offers a large AMOLED display, good performance, good cameras, and long software support at an affordable price. This smartphone is a good choice for students, working professionals, and everyday users. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, and 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. This smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, 6 GB or 8 GB RAM, 128 GB or 256 GB storage. This smartphone supports micro SD card expansion up to 2 TB. This smartphone comes with 50 MP main camera with optical image stabilization, 5 MP ultra-wide camera, 2 MP macro camera, 12 MP front camera, and this smartphone supports 4K video recording. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging. This smartphone runs on Android 16 and One UI 8.5. Samsung promises 6 years of Android OS and security updates. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Samsung Knox security, and IP64 dust and splash resistance. What are the advantages of this smartphone? Large and bright AMOLED display, smooth everyday performance, good camera quality with optical image stabilization, long battery life, expandable storage, long software support, and good value for money. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of this smartphone. 25-watt charger is slower than some competing phones. Charger is not included in the box. Not the best phone for heavy gaming. Ultra-wide and macro cameras are average in low light. What are the customers' positive feedback? Customers like bright and colorful display, good camera quality, long battery life, smooth daily performance, easy to use Samsung One UI, good value for the price. In United States, the price of this smartphone is starting at $349. In India, the price of this smartphone is starting at 28,999 rupees. Higher variant like 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage is around $450 in United States, and in India it is 37,499 rupees.